In this video, I want to show you editing and creating maps, and also I want to show you filtering layer by using Oracle Map Viewer and Oracle Apex, and especially I use Oracle Apex collection for this sample. It should be mentioned you can configure and use different online map as the background of your WebGIS application, for example Bing Map, OpenStreetMap, and it's good to show you that Oracle Map Viewer has provided several famous maps as built-in tile layer, and you can use them in your web applications. And in addition, you can configure the other online map. For example, you can configure a Nokia map, a TomTom map in the Map Viewer, and then use them in the your web application, WebGIS application. You can see several of these layers, these online map layers here, and as you know, some of them are free, like here map, like Bing Map, and some of them are not free, like Google Map. And maybe you want to use the offline map. For example, here I imported the raster of the world in the database, and then configure it as a tile layer in the map viewer, and then use it here in this application. So let's start editing and creating layer. For editing and creating layer, I use two types of layer. One of them is point layer and the other one is a polygon. When I click point layer, you can see the point layer here on the map. And let me show you the table of this layer in the database. You can see the table of this layer, and it has 50 records, and you can see 50 points here on the map. I want to, by each clicking on the map, add a new point to this layer. Here I use Oracle Apex collection. By each clicking and create a new point, I set a name and UNQID for the new point, and I get the coordinates from Oracle Map Viewer, and you can see the report on the collection here. And by each clicking, new point create on a map and add a member in a collection. But you don't have these new points here on the layer and here on the database because of using collection. When you move your point, you can see the change of coordinates in the report. For example, look at the marker 2 in the reports. Okay. When you are sure about the location of the points, click Save. By clicking Save, your collection deletes and the data inserted in the database. The other example of editing and creating layer is a polygon layer. Let me show you the table of this layer here. You can see an empty layer here, and I want to draw a polygon here. After drawing a layer, you can see the coordinates of this polygon here in this text area. And after change each point, you can see change of coordinates here. Click Save, and you can see this polygon on your layer and here on the table. Okay, and again you can draw the other one. And again you can see this new polygon here. And now that you have seen drawing polygon on the map, let me show you the other usage of drawing polygon on a map for filtering geometry. Let me a little zoom here. And when I click filter layer, you can see a polygon layer on the map that this layer is based on this table. And this table is about cities, counties, villages, and hamlets of my country. And I want to draw a polygon on this map and get a report that how many polygons of this table are whole of the polygon is inside the drawn polygon, and I want to flag them on the map and give it a count and have a report on area, compare area, the population. You can see the table. In the table, I have the category in F class column, and the code is unique, and I label it in the map, and each record have population and area. And here I have a classic report of this point that flagged on the map. And when I change the drawn polygon, you can see change of report here. And you can write this code as you want. For example, I write my code that I want to hold the polygon be inside the drawn polygon. Maybe you want to if a polygon has any intersect with the drawn polygon, choose in your report and flag on the map. Okay, it's finished, and thank you for your watching.